Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this for your career situation. If you want more clarity, Cancers, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So, let's see what are these cards. We have 8 of stars, Papers in reverse, and Postulant of stars. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Cancers, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So maybe you may see some delays or something may not happen as expected. Maybe some projects or something may not come in that expected timeline. And you are unable to, make the efforts, make work, maybe do the work or make efforts. Maybe something is holding you back. For some of you, you are sick, having some sickness, or you are having some troubles. Circumstances are really difficult for you, and that may be the reason you are not able to show your full potential in work. That is what is the reason for things not going in the expected way, guys. And you may see people criticizing you for that, your lack of potential or your lack of attention may be the reason for some troubles. And it is not your mistake. It may be some illness you're having. Maybe you need to take care of yourself, or there is someone you need to take care of. That may be the reason you are in this particular circumstance, guys. And maybe you are reacting in an impulsive way. Maybe when people are criticizing you, you need to be really careful, guys, with what you say, because though you are not doing it intentionally, it is your problem. Maybe the lack of attention you have, or it may be your absence from work, something which you are unable to do. That may be the reason for things going in this way today. So even in this relationship, you need to be really careful about what you speak or what you tell this person. Maybe this person is quite, they are a nagging person, they are possessive, they want to know everything about you, they want to find out everything about you. Maybe your absence, or maybe you have not been able to see them for quite some time, and they want to know everything about you, and they are trying to dominate you and control you in some ways, guys. But if you are going to talk back or retaliate in some ways in harsh words, you are going to make your situation even much more worse, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So you have Prophetess of Moons, guys. So with this card, maybe this person is a good friend first. So they are truly concerned. They may not have evil intentions towards you. So they just want to know what is wrong and they want to help you. They want to support you. That may be the reason they are asking you certain things, trying to find out what is wrong with you and in what way they can help you. So they are truly an understanding and a kind person, guys. A loyal person. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship, guys. For your career situation, Cancers, we have Seven of Moons. So there may be certain expectations you have, certain dreams you may have about your career situation, guys, Cancers. But if you want those dreams to manifest in reality, you need to make a lot of efforts, guys. You need to make the right choices, take care of your next step, maybe not listen to someone blindly and make a decision. But if you are able to hold on, face the obstacles that you are seeing today, if you are able to weather these storms you are seeing in your life today, Cancers, you are going to be successful, guys, and things will fall into place for sure. So that is the reading with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today, and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation. It may be something surprising, something coming. And it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day-to-day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day-to-day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So we must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. Maybe spontaneously, we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out. taking a break from work. So whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, just because of the way you are a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.